What's going on, guys? CryptoGrains here, and in today's video, I am going to talk about Shiba Inu. What I'm going to do for all of you guys today is give you guys a step-by-step guide as to how we think this thing is going to go to 1 cent and beyond. Obviously, these are just my thoughts and opinions, guys. This is not an expert analysis here, but I do believe that good things are coming for Shiba Inu. However, please go out and do your own research before investing in anything. Now that we got that warning out of the way, let's talk about Shiba Inu. Okay, guys, I really do think that good things are coming. Obviously, I'm not saying that this crypto is going to explode overnight. Well, it can, but I'm not here to talk about that. In this video, I am talking about how we are going to get to see this slow rise. Some really good updates will make this thing go up to 1 cent and beyond. If you look at the 1-day graph, you'll notice a short-term catalyst that gave Shiba a push. The 7-day graph doesn't look too bad as well. Of course, we had the Coinbase Pro or against listing that got kind of real. However, Shiba got this push, and since then we have seen its trend go a little bit downwards. Then, you know how it goes. We kind of saw it recover here and there over time. Now, if you zoom out to the 3-month chart, you will easily spot where Shiba has been and where we could potentially go to. Now, of course, we're all used to these all-time highs and lows. I'm talking about the holders here, not the paper hands. But the question that everybody's asking is, how is Shiba going to get back up? Is it going to happen the same way it got there the first time? Or is it going to rise slowly? We'll try to answer all of that in this video. But first, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't lose another video with the latest news about cryptocurrency. Alright, now, I'm going to show you guys the slow rise scenario, which I think is going to get Shiba to 1 cent and even higher. Now, when it comes to any cryptocurrency, one of the major factors is the market cap in the 24-hour volume. The whole crypto market is doing well after a sharp fall. We have Bitcoin sitting at $35,000, and it continues to trend downwards and recover. Okay, so there are a lot of question marks when it comes to cryptocurrencies right now. The market just isn't as good as it was just a couple of months ago. The first thing that we need to study in order to get Shiba Inu on the rise is to always look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just the king of cryptocurrency and everybody knows about it. It's the one that if it goes up, all the other cryptos kind of follow through. So once Bitcoin starts to recover, some of the questions will be answered. Another factor is, and I know you guys don't like this very much, but Elon Musk hopping on Bitcoin once more. I know that some of you think that would be bad for Shiba since it could get faded out, but trust me, it is the complete opposite. You see, once some of these larger institutions start getting into Bitcoin, people will start recognizing Shiba Inu as well. Now, we've talked about listings every single day. Okay, so why is listing such a big deal? Well, you see, whenever a token is listed on an exchange, people will want to trade it. It is called FOMO, the fear of missing out. People just love to get their hands on new stuff. And it doesn't matter where Shiba gets listed, whether it's Robinhood, Webull, or Coinbase. We already have Shiba listed on Binance, which is one of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world. So that's a pretty big move in itself. When it comes to exchange listings, the chosen token passes the gates for a brand new set of users to come in and a brand new set of users to chat and get into the community. One listing on one of these platforms can change the trajectory of Shiba Inu quite dramatically. Okay, so Shiba was supposed to get listed on Coinbase Pro on the 17th of June, but they had some technical difficulties and they have kind of postponed that. However, now Shiba is eyeing eToro. Guys, look, a lot of crypto assets are coming to eToro, and Shiba is going to be listed there really soon. If this happens, then some pretty big moves are expected. I mean, we all saw what happened when Shiba got listed on the Voyager app. It became the #1 trading crypto asset on the app. I wonder what will happen when eToro's listing is done. We have seen the CEO come out and say that he likes Dogecoin and he likes Shiba Inu. After that Dogecoin was listed, so now I believe that their next step will be listing Shiba Inu. Again, this is one of those trend changes for this coin. However, other exchange listings are also very important because that's how the community grows. So again, crypto exchange listings are a big deal. Now we have to wait for Coinbase to make its move and actually list Shiba on their platform. If this follows through, which probably will, we will see Shiba Inu hit that 1 cent mark in no time. Finally, how could we forget? We can't mention getting to the next level without talking about Robinhood. This exchange listing is just one of those things that are going to really open up the heaven gates because it has such a wide range of users that trade on it. They make it very easy to trade not only stocks but cryptocurrency as well. This is going to be a big deal for Shiba Inu. With a listing like this, Shiba could potentially go to 10 cents. And lastly, we can take a look at Webull. There is quite an influx of people using Webull now as a means to trade stocks and cryptocurrency. Since they have recently accepted the crypto trade, an exchange listing for Shiba Inu could be on the way. And now for another surprise that'll take Shiba to the moon. We're going to talk about Shiba Swap, the new ecosystem that the devs behind Shiba Inu are waiting to launch. Shiba Swap is going to be a one-stop shop for all things revolving around Shiba Inu. Okay, so from staking at the liquidity pool to purchases, trading more. Oh yeah, everybody has been asking about having an automatic token burn on Shiba Swap. This is a question yet to be answered, but we will see what the devs end up saying about that. Obviously, a token burn mechanism is going to help Shiba climb higher than ever before. On the other hand, there is a manual way to burn your tokens, but maybe an automatic one will be implemented with Shiba Swap. So guys, these are some of the very big catalysts that are going to really take Shiba to 1 cent or even beyond that. Another thing that'll take this coin there is the growth as a community. I mean, these catalysts do give the coin small incremental bumps in price, but nothing is able to shift the trajectory as the community of people that continues to have belief in the coin itself. And lastly, one of the things that'll impact Shiba Inu and has increased its price so far are the audits. Okay, so DeFi auditor CertiK announced earlier these weeks that the company will be auditing the SHIB token. So what auditing does is it basically provides legitimacy to SHIB, and that gives more courage to crypto investors to want to invest in it. This appears to be another driving factor behind Shiba's rise. Now, if we do the math right, we have the eToro listing that looks super positive. We have the Coinbase Pro listing that has already kind of been confirmed, but we just have to wait and see it unfold. And then we have the huge Robinhood listing, which could potentially take Shiba to 20 cents. And lastly, we have the Webull listing, which is kind of like the final blow needed to take this coin to the moon beyond any expectation. And let's not forget, we also have the audits, let's make that in plural, which will increase the credibility of this coin. And then we have the cherry on top, which is Shiba Swap, an ecosystem built solely for Shiba, which is probably going to make it hit the 50 cents mark. The future looks exciting, guys, and I'm very curious to see where this goes. With all being said, that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know your opinions in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.